Have you guys ever heard about a stitch in time, save nine? I'm pretty sure that some of us might feel not familiar with this sentence, right? So first and foremost, a stitch in time saves nine is an idiom which means that taking a small actions to fix a problem can now prevent it from becoming a much larger and more complicated issues later. Think of it as sewing a small tear in your clothes and you before it becomes a larger rip. So it emphasizes on the importance of being proactive in our life. It also reminds us of the importance of the value of our time and also the consequences of being procrastinations. So basically, the meanings of a stitch in time basically just very simple, which is don't procrastinate. So procrastination, as everyone knows, is we delay something or activity to make it later time. Let's look at a few examples to illustrate this point. Imagine you notice a leak in your roof during a rainstorm. You can choose to ignore it, hoping it will go away. Or you can take immediate action to fix it. Ignoring it may lead to extensive damage to your home and requiring costly repairs. On the other hand, if we fix it immediately, we can save our money, our time, and also our mental health. So basically, I want to share a personal story about mine. So my friends and I once had an agreement before. Instead of we addressing it calmly and resolving the issue, both of us chose to ignore it. So neither of us tried to reconcile or even tried to apologize to each other. As the consequences, we ended up didn't talk to each other for almost 2 weeks. Even though after that we ended up apologizing to each other, but the heavy feelings in our heart that for the conflicts happen still lingering in our heart. Hence, if these issues are not solved, this simple misunderstanding can escalate, leading to damaged relationship, hurt feelings, and even more significant conflicts. So, being proactive has so many advantages. It saves time, money, and emotional turmoil. It also allows you to maintain better relationships, both personally and professionally. When you address small issues promptly, you show responsibility and foresight, which are qualities admired by others. It also helps us prevent minor inconvenience from turning into major setbacks. However, if we neglect all these problems, it can have a severe consequences. Think about a relationship, for instance. If we neglect communications and small conflicts, they can fester and lead to a larger or more damaging problem that might be a problem for us to repair. So, in conclusion, a stitch in time saves nine is a valuable lesson that has stood the test of time. By being proactive and addressing unnecessary trouble and setbacks, we can save ourselves from bigger issues. So I encourage all of you to take this wisdom to heart and make a part of your daily life. Remember, a small action today can save you from a bigger problem tomorrow. Thank you for your action.